Hello. Today I'm going to show you eye tracking on iPad. In this case, it's an iPad Pro from 2024, but it also works on all iPads out there with iPad Operating System 18. That means it is compatible with a lot of iPads. With iPad Pro M4, with iPad Pro 12.9 inches, third generation or later, iPad Pro 11 inches, first generation and later, iPad Air, the M2, the iPad Air third generation and later, then the iPad 7th generation or later, and the iPad Mini 5th generation and later. Eye tracking, that's a really good stuff, because if you have problems to operate your operation system, your iPad, using your arms, your fingers, and so on, there is an accessibility solution for that. That means eye tracking. How it works? Let's perform eye tracking now. We have to make a setup, of course. We have to take control of our iPad completely with the movement with only our eyes. Really cool feature. Let's go to settings. Let's go to accessibilities, and then we have to look that there is eye tracking. This is under voice control and on top of the top button. Here is eye tracking, okay? The eye tracking allows us to control our device using just our eyes. The iPad should be on a stable surface about a half meter away from our face, of course. So then we can enter smoothing. Smoothing point movement increase this value may decrease the pointer responsiveness. So we can go to 100%, 50 and no. And behind that. We can snap to item, or we can zoom on the keyboard keys. If we like that, of course, switch on or off. Try this. You have to learn this first. But if you learned that, it's a good way to move through your iPad operation system. Auto hide is possible. Dwell control. The dwell control keeping our gaze still for a specific duration. This will perform a selected dwell action. To customize this dwell, you have to do this in the assistive touch option. So let's now start with the movement setup. We follow now the dot. Here we are, we're moving our eyes and we are going the way the dot is showing us on screen. This is the setup. This setup we have to continue or repeat every time we are going to locate to another area or something else, because the camera has to see our eyes and has to be the setup. And now we are in. So I go down, go up, go down, right, left, really cool. It works really smooth and gentle. So here we are in the home area, and you can see I can navigate through the entire device. Oh, that's really cool. And here are options. These options we can use as home, control center, Siri, custom, notification center, scroll, and the dwell. Really cool. To enter in something, we can navigate to the area which would we like to open, like the calculator here. I try to open a calculator. Stay there and open. Yeah. And now I can push here the buttons, for example. Stay on something, and then it works. That's a cool fact to operate your entire operation system with only your eyes. Really cool, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.